Yeah, welcome at our assembly department at BMW Motorcycle. My name is Ronald and I'm part of this team since 1986. I'm the chief of the maintenance team and very proud to work in this area. My responsibility is to keep the services for all technology systems in this area. I'm responsible for about 50 persons. And we all together, we have the target to keep the production alive. My personal highlight was in 2015 when we created a new assembly line system. It's a totally new technique where we have conveyors which drive autonomously through the whole area when we product motorcycles. And it has a very good effect on the employees because they can work as well as they like to. They have the working position they need to have so that they can concentrate on this conveyor and on their bike which they have to build.